Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And this week we're doing our second Spotlight collab. And this week our two ladies that we have are Naomi Nails. Make sure you go check out her YouTube channel and her Instagram over there for her awesome looks. And our second lady we have is Lisa from Dana August Nails. Make sure you for sure go check out her channel and her Instagram as well, because they do have some awesome looks. So they chose this week's theme, which is pop art. So let's go ahead and get right into this set. Each nail is going to be a different look, but still within the theme. And I do show you every product that I use, and it will also be linked in the description down below, as well as the Spotlight collab featured ladies this week. So if you want to check out their page and you haven't seen them before, make sure you go into the description so you can get their links and go over and again check them out, because they are awesome artists. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the looks that each of the other ladies have done. So here is Naomi Nails. Here's her YouTube channel, and again her Instagram, and of course these beautiful looks that she has done. They are amazing. So if you like these looks, again, go check her stuff out. She is awesome. You won't regret that. We have Lisa, of course, and Lisa, let me say, is an old school thebomb.com, y'all. Like, look at that. She's amazing artist. She is hysterical. She's wonderful. She's so sweet and nice. She's super silly. Look at her skinny little supermodel self. And boom, there you go, Lisa. That was just for you. Yeah, she tries to pretend that she's not really super silly, and she sticks these little looks in here on her Instagram like, yo, you know, you put them on the internet, they're there, so I'm gonna use them too. So there you go. That one's for you, girl. Okay? Yeah, we made it through the quarantine together, homie, together. So there you go. Make sure you guys go and check her stuff out. Again, both her and Naomi Nails, awesome nail techs, awesome nail artists. Please go check them out. You will not regret it, and you will want to subscribe and follow instantly. So pretty much I'm just gonna let you guys watch all of this, and that's that. So enjoy your day, guys. Bye.